In this video, we'll be creating a refreshing peach summer salad that can help stop sugar cravings. People typically feel they don't have the time or can't prepare a quick and easy side or meal. I'm here to tell you that yes, you can. This is a quick and easy side salad that can double up as a main meal for lunch or even dinner. We have some simple ingredients to get this together in no time at all. Our first ingredient is a 1/4 cup of sliced toasted almonds or even walnuts. Our second ingredient is 6 to 8 cups of mixed greens. These can be mesclun greens, butter lettuce, or any other types of greens that you desire. Our third ingredient are 3 small or 2 large ripe peaches that are sliced thin. Our fourth ingredient is a handful of red onion thinly sliced. Our fifth ingredient is 1/2 cup of corn that can be grilled, fresh, or frozen. Trader Joe's has a great product which is called fire roasted corn that would be great on a salad like this. Our sixth ingredient is 2 to 3 ounces of soft goat cheese or even crumbled feta. Now for the dressing. We'll need 2 tablespoons of good balsamic vinegar. Our next ingredient for our dressing is a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Now our third ingredient for our dressing is a couple of tablespoons of good maple syrup. Now for our condiments, we will need 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt and a few cracks of fresh black pepper. And for our last ingredient for our dressing, we need about 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil to mix into this wonderful salad. Now that we have all of our ingredients together, we are ready to put our salad together. Just to recap, we have our greens, we have our toasted slivered almonds, we have our fresh ripe peaches, our red onions, our fire roasted corn, and our goat cheese. And for our dressing, I have everything here that we need to assemble that dressing. So I'm going to start off by putting the olive oil in my bowl first. I will then add my balsamic vinegar, my maple syrup. Again, this is super easy to put together and it looks absolutely smashing. Here's my kosher salt, and I'm going to add my Dijon mustard to the mix, which will give it that creamy richness. So here we go. We are going to whisk that together. And what we want is a beautiful emulsification. We want everything to bind together to give this beautiful brown dressing with a hint of red in it that'll absolutely make this salad smashing. So here is our dressing. And now we're going to assemble this awesome, refreshing summer salad. We'll start by adding the greens to a beautiful bowl. And you can arrange this any way you like. But I'm gonna add the corn for a pop of color. Okay, and we can add the slivered almonds. And then we'll add the onions to give you that beautiful pop of purple color. And of course, don't forget the goat cheese. And if you can get flavored goat cheese, this one here is a honey goat. It'll really bring this recipe over the top. So a little soft on my goat cheese, but not a problem. We'll get that off. And then we'll add the peaches, which makes this a delightful summer salad. And here is the dressing. And I actually did not put the crack of pepper in the dressing, but I will reserve it here for the end. So voila! Very simple, very easy, absolutely beautiful, and delicious. Remember, whipping this up takes no time at all, and it contains all the components to keep those sugar cravings at bay. You have the natural sweetness from the peaches and the sweet fire-roasted corn. You have the protein that keeps you full and satisfied from the goat or feta cheese and the slivered almonds or walnuts to keep you nice and full and satisfied. And you have the delicious crunch from the fresh greens. Easy, delicious, and oh so good. I invite you to try this delicious recipe this weekend for a barbecue, on a holiday, or even on a Tuesday night. You can't go wrong with this salad. If you would like to continue seeing great content like this, consider subscribing to my newsletter by clicking the link in the description below. Do it. Your body will thank you for it.